The rumor suggesting that Samsung may use its own Exynos processors for the entire Galaxy S25 series, while opting for Qualcomm Snapdragon chips for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, presents an interesting shift in Samsung's chipset strategy. Here are some thoughts on the implications of this rumor. Potential for enhanced Exynos chips. If Samsung indeed plans to utilize its Exynos 2500 chip for the Galaxy S25 lineup, it suggests that the company is confident in the capabilities and performance of its in-house processors. The reported optimizations and utilization of advanced fabrication processes indicate Samsung's commitment to improving the quality and competitiveness of its Exynos chips. Competition with Snapdragon. The rumored Cortex-X5 CPU core in the Exynos 2500 chip, if faster than CPUs in Apple's A/M series chips as speculated, could position Samsung's Exynos processors as formidable competitors to Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. This could lead to healthy competition in the mobile chipset market, benefiting consumers with improved performance and innovation. Galaxy S25 exclusivity. The potential exclusivity of Exynos chips in the Galaxy S25 series raises questions about Samsung's decision-making process and the performance expectations for its flagship devices. If Samsung believes that the Exynos 2500 chip can deliver comparable or superior performance to Snapdragon chips, it may see value in showcasing its own technology in its flagship smartphones. Foldable phone strategy. Opting for Snapdragon chips in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, while using Exynos chips in the Galaxy S25 series, may reflect Samsung's segmentation strategy based on device category and target audience. The company may prioritize specific features and performance criteria for its foldable devices, leading to the selection of Snapdragon chips for those models. In the Galaxy S25 series,